In the heart of winter, when nature cloaks itself in a blanket of ice and snow, the beauty of the frozen landscapes can be deceptive. Picture yourself exploring the serene, white world, your footsteps leaving a fleeting mark on the frosty surface. But then, the unexpected happens. A crack echoes beneath your feet, breaking the stillness and sending a jolt of fear through your heart. This moment is critical, and your immediate response is crucial for survival. When you find yourself on ice that begins to crack, the best action you can take is to lie down flat, spreading your body as wide as possible. This technique distributes your weight across a larger area of the ice, dramatically reducing the pressure at any single point. Why does this matter? It's all about minimizing the impact on the ice. Standing upright concentrates your body's weight through your feet, creating a high pressure point that can drive the ice to break. By lying down, you spread the same weight over a much broader area, lowering the pressure and stabilizing your position on the fragile ice. As you lay there, spread-eagled on the cold surface, every breath visible in the frigid air, it's essential to remain calm. Panicking increases your risk of making hasty decisions that could worsen the situation. Take a moment to assess your environment. Look for areas where the ice appears thicker or where there might be visible vegetation, as these signs can indicate more stability. Once you have a plan, begin to move, but do so with extreme caution. Use your elbows and knees to crawl, distributing your weight as you make your way to safety. Each movement should be slow and deliberate, as sudden shifts can trigger further cracking. Remember, knowledge of this survival technique is vital not only for those who venture into the wilderness but for anyone who lives near or visits icy environments during the winter months. Understanding the physics of weight distribution and the properties of ice can be the key to navigating these beautiful but potentially dangerous terrains safely. This story isn't just a lesson in survival. It's a reminder of our respect for nature's power and the importance of being prepared for its challenges. So before you step out into the winter wonderland, arm yourself with the knowledge and skills that could one day save your life or the lives of others.